is to open Gmail. This is my own personal Gmail. This is my personal Gmail here. Open it. Step 2, turn on two-step verification. So click on profile picture on the top right. Using my laptop, click here. Click on manage your Google account. Click it. So go to security here, security and sign in. Click on it. Scroll to two-step verification. Scroll to it. I have been active since 3 years ago. That is done. Now under security, click on app and password. Most times it's always hard to see. Just go up here and search, type in there app password to save time. Passwords. Then you see, click on it. App password here. Click on it. And so select app mail customize. So as to sign in, we show I'm the one. So I'll sign in again to be sure I'm the one. I'll sign in again. Put in my password. Okay. Now I'm in now. So now to create any password, give it any name. You can call it your website. You can call it 3 hearts. 3 hearts web. 3 hearts web and click create. They will give you this code now, what we use to link. So code now copy it somewhere. Let me copy like this, then copy it, paste it under this step 3 down here, and paste it here. And done, because done, press done now is gone forever. It's not under here. So now